Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 4 from Class F, and let me introduce my teams. My name is Naila with student ID 2024-210, and today we will present our UI UX design project, You and Me, a web-based photobooth application. Okay, let me walk you through our UI guideline, which is the foundation of our entire design system. In the first, our brand identity. We name our app You and Me, which stands for You and Me, and focusing on personal connection and shared moment. Our logo is bunny with camera. The bunny represents happiness, creativity, and positive energy, while the camera is symbolizes our core function, is capturing and preserving memorable moments. And next, for colors, we choose sage green as our primary color, and giving a fresh and creativity feel, we pair it with a soft pink as our secondary color, adding warmth and playfulness, and perfect for Gen Z and our young social media savvy and target audience. Next, for typography, we combine a bold, playful bubble font for headings to express our print personality with a clean geometric sans serif font for body text to ensure high readability across all devices. Next, iconography. We use split functional icon for seamless navigation, paired with a colorful, playful sticker library design to maximize user engagement with the Photobooth interface. Next, and for grid system, we built a comprehensive multi-device layout framework using a 12-column layout for desktop, 6-column for table, and optimized 2-column grid for mobile interface. And this guarantee a fully responsive design across all screen size. And next, we also define interactive elements. Our button library establish strict system rules for sizing, hover stats, disable variation, and proportional padding value to maintain consistent tactile feedback. And next, for micro interaction, we design essential components like multi-stage file upload state, visual progress loading bar, custom cursor variant, and numerical pagination component, and all to provide smooth and consistent user feedback. And next, and finally, we create frame sample to demonstrate how all these elements come together in a cohesive design. All of these are fully documented in our Figma file. And next. And now, moving to the empathize phase, we identify two user persona. In the first, Kim Ryul, he's 12 years old machine engineering student at the University of Indonesia who values efficiency and simplicity. He wants a clean UI, natural photo result, and a fast process. He dislikes cluttered interface, long registration, and annoying notification. His motivation is to capture moments with friends quickly and hassle-free. And the second, Kimberly Franza. She's 19 years old, international relations student who cares about aesthetic and trends. She loves cute design, trendy filter, and direct sharing to social media. And she dislikes slow performance, limited filter option, and complicated editing. And her motivation is to create aesthetic, shareable memories with her besties. Next.
Okay, next we have this empty map. This empty map help us understand our user deeper by mapping out what they say, think, do, and feel. We found that while they love capturing moments, they are often worried about complicated registration, slow loading times, blurry photo quality, or cluttered interface. Next.
In the divine stage, we compile their major pain points from their likes or dislikes. First of all, the pain point. For Kim Ryul, the pain points are complex registration, cluttered UI, unnatural looking filters, and intrusive notification. And then for Kimberly, the issues are limited frame variation, laggy performance, dropping photo resolution, manual parameter editing, and the lack of an automotive save feature. And then for the how might we want, from this we ask ourselves, how might we simplify onboarding and speed up the photo saving process for efficiency seekers? And how might we provide trendy visual assets while maintaining high performance and auto save for aesthetic focused users? Next.
Okay, moving on to the idea stage, we brainstorm solutions and use an affinity diagram to cluster our ideas into 5 key categories: account, UI UX, product quality, performance, and notifications. This helps us organize our features like adding one-step registration, AI enhancement, and cloud syncing. Okay, to develop the app effectively, we prioritize features into four quadrants. First, we have Yes, Do It Now. There is one-tap registration, guest mode, and focus mode to reduce initial user churn. Next, we have the next. There is True to Life, AI enhancement, instant render, quick save, and real-time clothing. Next, we have Do Less. There is Toga Minimalist UI and quick action tooltips with presets. And last, we have Flatter. There is advanced features like the community filter marketplace, RAY file support, and chat management. Next. Okay, to visually brainstorm our layout options, our member team used the crazy egg method. Each member fold a piece of paper into 8 sections and sketch one UI layout idea per minute for 8 minutes. These fast-paced sessions generate 40 rough sketch covering everything from the landing page, frame selection, interactive camera screen, to the final QR code, download layouts. Okay, next.
Next is the user flow, which maps out the entire journey of our website. First, the user start by entering the login or guest screen and lands on the home page. If they choose to take a photo, they select a frame, capture their poses, apply customized effect and filter, and then decorate it with stickers. Finally, they can preview, download via QR code, and then share it on media social. At the end of the session, the app checks if they want to return home or view premium membership plans before ending. Next.
Okay, for the wireframe, we have login screen on this layout. There is a profile avatar at the top, standard username and password fields in the middle, and alternative Google and TikTok buttons for quick social login. The function of this page is to securely authenticate users and log them into their accounts. 2 is home. On the left side, we have headline with 3 main action buttons, start session, gallery, and pricing, while the right side features our playful camera mascot. And next is choose frame. This screen displays a tabbed category panel with a scrollable selection grid on the left, a real-time photo strip preview on the right, and a confirm button on the bottom. At the bottom, the function of this screen is to let users easily browse and select their preferred frame design. Next is take photo. The layout features a large central camera viewfinder with shutter buttons below it, a vertical preview stack for captured poses on the right, and quick camera setting toggles at the bottom bar. And next is effect and filter. This layout shows a side-by-side comparative window, a horizontal row of filter thumbnails beneath it, and adjustable slider bars for brightness and contrast values. The function of this page is to give users manual control to touch up and enhance their photo quality. And next is sticker decoration. The selected photo strip is previewed on the left, while the right workspace contains color options at the top and a grid of decorative assets below it, finished with download and retake buttons. Seventh is the history gallery. The interface utilizes a clean 3-column grid that showcases all of the user's previously saved photo strips, complete with date subtext and quick action shortcuts at the bottom. Okay, next is the review, share, and download. The left half displays the final photo strip under the title, "Your photo is ready," while the right half provides a printable QR code container, a standalone download button, and social media sharing shortcuts. And next is membership. This layout balances a premium benefits checklist on the left side with interactive selectable payment option blocks on the right, supported by Pay Now and Skip buttons below. The function of this page is to display subscription options and handle this membership transaction flow. Okay, continue with the mock-up. First, we have the login screen. On this layout, we use a green polka dot background featuring a clean card with fields for email or username, password, and a remember me checkbox. At the bottom, there are quick login buttons for Google and TikTok. Next is home screen. It features our main branding logo at the top, a welcoming headline on the left with 3 primary buttons, start session, gallery, and pricing. Next is choose frame. Against a green plate background, there is a category selection window containing various cute frame designs that users can scroll through. When a design is selected, a larger real-time preview appears on the right side, complete with a red confirm button at the bottom. And then next is take photo. This layout centers a large live camera viewfinder displaying the current pose with a red shutter button right underneath it. On the right, there is a vertical strip showing placeholders for the first scheduled poses, while the bottom bar provides quick utility icons for flash, timer, gallery, and camera flip. Next, we have effect and filter. This interface displays a direct before and after visual comparison using 2 side-by-side preview windows. Below the previews, users can find a horizontal row of filter thumbnails, followed by 2 adjustable slider bars for brightness and contrast at the very bottom. Okay, for the sticker decoration, the left side display The assembled photo strip, while the right side features a dedicated custom panel divided into frame color selection circles and a grid of various stickers icons. Okay, next is the membership. On the left, it highlights premium benefits like unlimited sessions and high-res downloads, while the right side displays selectable payment methods for queries or M-banking alongside the total price breakdown. At the bottom, there are pay now and skip actions. And next is preview, share, and download. The left half showcases the final lovely dimmed photo strip, while the right half displays a prominent scan to save, QR code, a direct download button, social media sharing links, and a green home button to wrap up. And the last is History Gallery. This page features a clean horizontal 3-column layout showcasing past saved photo strips, complete with creation dates and integrated social share shortcuts below each item. The function of this page is to act a personal digital archive where users can look back at and manage their previous memories.
All right, I will explain about the prototyping. I shall begin. First, we have from the login screen as here. We have by clicking the login button, it takes users straight to the home page. And then on the home page, users have 5 pathways. Dia panah buttons, langganan and gallery, route users directly to the subscription and history, subscription and the gallery. And then on the main body, start session button acts as a primary action to start the photo booth journey, directing users to the frame selection page. Here is the frame selection page. Additionally, the gallery and the pricing works the same as the previous on the navbar. Next, we have the pilih frame page, or the page where we choose the frames. We also have the navbar here, and we can also pick whatever we want here, and we can go click on confirm. And by clicking the confirm, it will bring you to the ambil photo page. On the top left back arrow, let's say you turn to the frame. And to proceed after taking photos, users can either click the next arrow on the right or simply click the main camera shutter button. Next, we go to the effect and filter page. Here, we can click on the back if we want to retake pictures. And also, we can still use the navbar shortcuts, the beranda, langganan, and gallery, or click next to proceed the sticker decoration once we are satisfied with the pictures and the stickers, the filters. Here, on the decoration sticker, users can go back to the previous screen or use the top navbar links as previous. At the bottom, clicking download automatically redirects users to the subscription page, making high-res downloads as a premium exclusive feature. Alternatively, if users want to redo, they can go to retake button and it will go to this page again. Lastly, on the berlangganan or the subscription page, the navbar will also work the same. And the text link labeled home, it will bring you to the home page. Skip button is available if you don't want to do membership or just want to buy the photo frame. The review shadow screen represents the end of session. Users can browse the standard navbar links or click on the main home to retake the session or just going back to home. Lastly, the history gallery, it will bring you, the navbar will bring you to the usual, but the history gallery is solely only to show the photos once taken. That's for the prototyping explanation. I will do quick testing. Let's begin from, apologies. All right, we can go to click and let's try this. With them, we're going to take a picture. We can go to start session, but previously we can go to gallery if we want to see the galleries, and we can go back to the start session. We can choose the frames here. Let's say I'm confirming the first one here. All right, and let's pretend it's me. We take picture, and here we can set the filters. Maybe I want to do green here, and we go to next. Yeah, once we have satisfied with the stickers, we can go to download. If we retake, we will bring me back to here. But if you're satisfied already, we can just click on the download, and it will take you to the pricing page. We can pay now to complete the payment, or we can skip the membership. We can proceed to buy membership. We can go to pay now, and we'll be able to download the pictures. We can still go back to home. Also, the navbar works as told. I think I'm finished the testing explanation. All right, I think that's all the presentation for group 4. We apologize for mistakes. Thank you for watching the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.